Art is a common topic in the IELTS speaking test. Today, I'll share some useful phrases and example sentences on this topic. At the end of the video, I'll share questions to practice these phrases, and you can watch sample answers here. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. 1. Express emotions through colors.
The artist is great at expressing emotions through colors, using bold reds to convey passion and soft blues for calmness.
2. Tell stories visually.
This artwork is brilliant at telling stories visually, showing a traveler's journey with bright and detailed scenes.
3. Capture emotions on canvas.
The artist beautifully captures emotions on canvas, showing the joy and warmth of a family gathering.
4. Preserve heritage and culture.
Traditional pottery is an important way of preserving heritage and culture in our region.
5. Connect through art.
People from different cultures can find common ground by connecting through art, sharing their stories and experiences.
6. Spark creativity and imagination.
Watching animated films as a child was great for sparking creativity and imagination, inspiring me to create my own stories.
7. Blend tradition and modernity.
Her designs are known for blending tradition and modernity, creating something both classic and fresh.
8. Inspire deep thoughts and evoking powerful feelings.
The movie was a masterpiece, inspiring deep thoughts and evoking powerful feelings about kindness and love.
9. Stimulate conversation.
The colorful painting on the wall always gets people talking and stimulates conversation.
10. Encourage new perspectives.
This documentary encourages new perspectives on climate change by showing personal stories from around the world.
11. Bridge cultural gaps.
The art festival helps bridge cultural gaps by showing works from artists all over the world.
12. Enjoyable and calming.
Painting watercolors in my free time is both enjoyable and calming after a hectic day.
13. Sculptures for their detailed designs.
I love visiting museums to admire sculptures for their detailed designs and craftsmanship.
14. Street art for its bold and creative style.
Street art, with its bold and creative style, adds so much vibrancy to the city walls.
15. Reduces stress and promotes relaxation.
Many people find that drawing reduces stress and promotes relaxation after a busy day.
16. Beautiful, thought-provoking artworks.
The gallery features beautiful, thought-provoking artworks that challenge how we see the world.
17. Express emotions words can't capture.
Abstract art often expresses emotions that words can't always capture, like love or sorrow.
18. Deal with tough times like therapy.
For some, painting feels like therapy, helping them deal with tough times more easily.
19. Grow socially and personally.
Joining the art club helped me grow socially and personally by meeting people who share my interests.
20. keep our identity unique and strong?
Traditional crafts like weaving help us keep our identity unique and strong for future generations.
21. Find inner peace.
Painting landscapes helps me find inner peace after a long, stressful day.
22. Build self-expression.
Drawing allows kids to start building self-expression and share their feelings creatively.
23. Showcase unique styles.
Street art is amazing for showcasing unique styles and bold artistic expressions.
24. Interpret the world.
Abstract art is a way of interpreting the world through shapes and colors.
25. Boost self-confidence.
Learning to sketch over time really boosts self-confidence as you see your skills improve.
That's the end of the phrases. Now, let's look at some questions about art. Try to use the phrases we just covered to answer these questions. Part 1. Do you like looking at art? Have you ever created any artwork yourself? What kind of art do you enjoy the most? Did you learn art when you were a child? What benefits can you get from painting as a hobby? Is it easy to learn how to draw? Are there any famous artists from your country? What kind of art is popular in your country? How often do you visit art galleries? Part 2. Describe a piece of art you like. You should say what it is, where you saw it, what it looks like, and explain why you like it. Part 3. How does art influence people's lives? Do you think children should learn about art at school? How has technology changed the way we experience art? Do you think governments should invest more in promoting art and culture? Do you think traditional art forms will continue to be popular in the future? Why are some works of art very expensive, while some are not? Do you believe art is a worthwhile endeavor for human beings to pursue? That's the end of today's video. You can find the link to the sample answer video in the description.